Okay, the purpose of this video is to see if my air chamber is leaking on my new design of a repeater rifle. So the idea is the gun is cocked, it's in the fire position. I'm thinking if I try to pull air through the big syringe, if it's leaking, it should continue on out the end. If it's not leaking, when I let go, the plunger should go back to where it is right now. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Drawing it back. Okay, went to 30. Whatever that means, let's try it again. I would say it has just a little bit of a leak. Push it in, it springs back. Air into the chamber. Springs back. There are no hands. Oh, that's good for it. Well, folks, I may have just broke my gun, so we're going to end this video right here. See you on the other side.